the windows. Stop being foggy. 6:40 a.m. traffic. Power. Yeah. Yes, there's wicked traffic in it this morning now. Clan Road. Oh shit. Rings, lad. Stressful. Hey, what's going on? What's the crack? It's early in the morning, it's raining. You just see me drive to work. It takes an hour and 40 minutes to drive from Waterford up to Arklow. I live up here Monday to Friday because driving an hour and 40 every day is just too much and I would go insane. The person is going to walk past. Hello. I said I'd bring you to where I work. I think you're going to enjoy it. It's kind of the reason why I don't mind being up here and sacrificing. I know I only get to work on the car, mostly just on weekends. It's a bit of a sacrifice, especially with the vlogs, because I work 8 to 5 Monday to Friday. I only do the vlogs every 2 weeks just to give myself enough space so I don't burn out. My wheels have just landed from Japan. They will be here in a little while. I'll bring you in. Let's go. So this is where I work. It's called JDM Distro. I've been working here for about 3 years. JDM Distro has been going about 10 years. As you can see, it is absolutely packed with the coolest Japanese parts. We've got the wheel wall, which is looking a little bare at the moment. Bunch of random cars, which were in storage, but now they're here. Some old, sad Skylines, except for this one. This is Dave, who owns the place, his pride and joy. This old Wangan racer, which is looking a little sorry. This thing definitely went very fast. Zoomer. There's literally cool fucking shit everywhere. So the reason why I have brought you to where I work is, one, because it's pretty amazing and I think it deserves an episode. And the second reason is, my wheels are coming from Japan, and because I work in a Japanese car parts import business, I felt like this was a good place to bring in some wheels. We're just waiting on a container which has just arrived from Japan. It takes like 2.5 months for a container to come in. It's a very exciting part of working here. Obviously not every day is as exciting as this, but it's still a pretty badass place to work. We just got a recent shipment of engines. Mostly we sell 2Js, 1Js. RB26s are getting kind of rare. The 2Js are pretty reliable and they seem to be the most common engine. I work with Adrian. Hello. So you've probably seen Adrian already. We went to get his Carina up in Mr. X's a couple of months back. Sometimes I like to come down here and just stare at the wall, man. Japanese goodness. It's nice that people appreciate the genuine wheels. We are big fans of authentic wheels, both in our shed and at work. Got some hot boy blitzes. Yeah. We got the hot Polish guy working here. So for anyone that ever ordered stuff from here, just give out to Adrian. It's all his fault. It's all his fault because it's the one-man show. Every 2 months we get a 40-foot container coming in. You have to unpack everything and organize everything. Wow.
So there's 336 plus.
Yeah.
And we have to go through every single one of them to make sure they've arrived on the container. Some of the used wheels that come in with tyres, we have to take all the tyres off.
With this little tire machine.
We have to go through all the wheels to make sure they're not cracked or buckled. If any of them are, we send them off to get repaired. And all the engines come in big pallets.
So we have to compression test every single engine just to make sure that there's even compression. And if they're not, then we got to send them off. We used to make vlogs of what we were doing when Rob used to work with us. Because I could do a lot of video, but over the last year I've just been helping Adrian out, so there hasn't been much video. If you're looking for more content and you want to see me being a moron on camera with him, you should check out our YouTube channel, because we don't even have 1,000 subscribers. No one cares. Like, subscribe, and yeah. Rob left, he moved back to Mayo. We miss Rob, he was fun. Yeah, he wanted to become a fisherman. Sean
No, Sean the Asian.
Sean the Asian, is that what you want to be called? So we're just doing some casual racism here. The blame will be put on you now when things fuck up, it's your fault. Before anybody starts asking me questions about JDM Distro on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, I don't actually deal with the customers, I do all the video and photography and the website of stuff. It has arrived! Nice. What's going on? Good. Usually I'm helping, but now I'm filming because Sean is here, so I just look like I'm in the way.
No, in a minute.
Japanese water on the container. We have 2 hours to unload, minus a loading dock, so we have a creative way of unloading the container. Usually it's all just loose stuff back, and then we have pallets with engines and wheels.
All that stuff.
Some legend ordered a new Pandem FC kit. See you, Sean. Goodbye! Well, whoever bought the Pandem kit, congratulations. Here's the pallets that are custom made for the engines and wheels. These are really, really heavy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think there's 10 engines on this pallet. Ooh. Usually when the container is wet like this, there's something living in it. So one of the times when we unloaded the container, there was a false widow spider hiding in between one of the engines.
Check this Japanese spider under the pallet. Holy fuck, he's huge. I wonder, does he speak Japanese? Konnichiwa. Arigato, Mr. Roboto. Hi.
Adrian burned him to a crisp. One J in a cardboard box. So because we don't have a loading bay, we have a creative way of taking out these pallets. There you go. These are the last 2 engine pallets. Back your way again. Look at those marks. Now the truck is gone. The next episode of Chaos begins. What happens now? You have to organise.
We have to organise all the wheels into stacks. We have to match them all, and then you match the, I don't know,
The skew
against the container sheet.
Yeah.
Make sure everything that's on the container sheet arrived in the container.
And we're back. Day 2 of the container. Yeah, it was really busy yesterday, so we didn't get a chance to rip apart. Whoa, look at these. Nice little pulleys there. Right, we're being distracted. Yesterday, my wheels came in the container, but we didn't rip everything apart because we had to bring all this in. So me and Adrian are going to go looking at some wheels in the back and show you some of the cool stuff. Oh shit!
Unreal.
Advan RG2. Bell CST. Yeah, there's a shitload of wheels. Oh, whoa! They are the cleanest Blitz Type 03s I've ever seen. The lens makes these look way more insane than they are. Chunky set of C28s. Oh shit! They are very nice. 15-inch SSR Mark IIs. Stral. Some hard reds. Advan RS. Shiny! If you think that this looks great, it is great. By far, probably the most entertaining part of the job. Oh shit! They are great. Oh shit!
That finish is savage.
Come, Sean. Come look at the wheels. Come and we distract you from working. And come look at some absolute porn. Oh my god, I feel how light that is. Yes! Holy shit! More porn. That's great. Two of the meanest looking track wheels ever made side by side. I don't know why this stuff excites me so much. Gran Turismo broke me as a child. Raze VR GTV. Watanabe. Wait till you see these. This is the first set of these wheels in Europe, I would imagine. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god. This is one of the rarest wheels. Actually, Watanabe Gotti. They were a year in production. Yeah, somebody ordered these, I think in the UK. It's a wheel that they used to race on the Z in Le Mans back in 1976. And the original one was never sold to the public, but Watanabe have made a mold of it. They are fucking incredible. I'm pretty sure we will never, ever, ever see a set of them ever again. Even try Google these, no pictures really come up. That's kind of slightly the depressing part about working here too, is you get to see all of this amazing stuff and it literally hangs around for a couple of days and then it just gets sent out the door. Advan RS. These are amazing. ZE40. And then we have the absolute timeless classic. We've seen so many sets of T37s. They never get old. Volk SE37A. Razor sharp. You can actually slice yourself to bits on these wheels. Volk G2PM. Wow. Nugent! These are one of my all-time favorite wheels growing up. Classic Honda wheel. 22-inch work gnosis. More emotion. Wow. Hang on. Oh shit! These are fucking great. It's like Christmas. I got some XR4 Longchamps from my AE86. This was the first ever wheel I fell in love with for the AE86. Mainly because my friend Dave had them on his car. I just love the look of them. These are original sizes. The fronts are 8 minus 12, I think. And the backs are 8.5 minus 19. So not too big, just a nice, good size. I got a loan of a set of these from work before and I tried them on the car and they were a fucking amazing fit. So I found similar sizes in Japan. It's getting a lot harder to find them in good sizes. And I've been waiting a good few months for these, but they finally arrived and they look amazing. These are fucking so good. So every time a container comes, it feels like Christmas, but it feels more like Christmas this time because I've just got my dream wheels from Japan. We're gonna have a pretty busy next month, I would imagine. It's a pretty cool place to work and I definitely don't take it for granted. Definitely just a slice of the stuff that we all love. I don't know what I'm on about now. Talking fucking shit. Well, this is where I work. This is what I do Monday to Friday. with the lads. I thought it was a cool time to bring you up, show you my wheels that came in this pile. Hope you enjoyed this little episode of Juicebox. Check out the JDM Distro vlogs that we do. I'm going to start doing a few more of them now that we have an extra set of hands. If you want any stuff from JDM Distro, give me a shout on Facebook, Instagram. Annoy Dave that works in the office. See ya! Yeah, also I can't thank Dave enough from JDM Distro for sorting me out with some long champs. Check out JDMDistro.com. There's a huge listing of parts, wheels, aero, engines, pretty much anything you need. And if there's something you want that's not on the site, hit them up on Facebook or Instagram. They'll pretty much be able to sort anything from Japan. There's a container coming every 2.5 months, just like you've seen in this video. They're definitely going to be able to sort you out. Thanks to you guys and the support we've had for the shop over the last year, we finally actually bought a new camera for Juicebox. What's funny is all of the videos that we've been making have been made on a borrowed camera, which is weird. I don't know. One of our friends gave us a loan of a camera that was good for making vlogs, and we've been using that for the entire run of the Juicebox videos. So we finally bought a dedicated camera with the money from the shop. I just wanted to make this episode and bring it up to date. You might have noticed that this one is pretty new. Most of the videos are 8 months behind, but I just wanted to ensure that we were using the camera properly. So I brought this episode right up to date because it doesn't really mess with the timeline of what's happening with the car. And I just wanted to ensure that I could make a video with the new camera and make sure that everything was all right. The quality, you might have noticed, is a little bit better, and we got a gimbal and just a few bits to make a more polished and a much better video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that has purchased from the shop and enabled us to buy a camera. It's quite hard to upgrade camera equipment when you're restoring a car at the same time, so the store definitely helps with that and helps with a lot of the other stuff with Juicebox as well. So thank you to everybody out there that has supported us over the last year and a bit. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.